Why is my iPhone storage not loading? Is there any prompt resolution to this challenge? Well, this article seeks to be your guide in explaining the phenomenon and tackling this predicament head-on. We shall compile 9 fixes that you can employ to swiftly resolve the problem. Part 1. Why won't my iPhone storage load? Your iPhone storage is full. Connectivity problems within the network, processing errors caused by an overwhelming volume of data to load, unpredictable software glitches, challenges associated with the iOS operating system. Part 2 to 8 useful tips for iPhone storage calculating category sizes stuck. Tip 1. Wait a bit longer. Tip 2. Force quit settings. Tip 3. Inspect network connections. Tip 4. Force restart your device. Tip 5. Free up storage space on the iPhone. Tip 6. Reset all settings on iPhone. Tip 7. Sign out and sign back in iCloud. Tip 8. Update to the latest version of iOS.